Yeah. So guys, after 1 hour, nandito na kami. Hindi pwede mag-grill. Ayan.
Mama!
May mga naliligo.
So, ayan guys, naalala nyo yung place na to. Vlinag ko din yun, I think, 2 months ago. Galing kami dito. Tapos that time, ano pa siya, spring, medyo malamig pa. Tapos ngayon, magsiswimming na kami dito.
You want here? Do you have people door club? Oh,
yeah, people go to swimming. With car going here. I don't know what car.
Nagsiswimming kami guys. Ayan, may mga tao. Yeah.
I will jump from there. I want to.
Huh? So guys, nandito na kami. Ayun, dito kami magsiswimming. Pumunta kami dito nung nakaraan. Nung spring.
Bang.
Lab! Ang ganda guys.
So nice.
Ayan guys, nag-picnic kami guys. Say hi! Hi Liz!
Alshan, say hi.
Say hi! Kami lang dito guys, oh. How do you isin na Liz? This is for you. Wow. This is for my Alishan. Where is the fruit slab?
Babo, hi, said it.
Meron pang fruits ito yung chicken schnitzel. Oh.
Yay! Can I eat
Hadi, oh, you get.
I take this one. Wow.
Hey, nemoj tako. Hajde, svi stani muku. In the round. Hajde, in the round.
Mama, circle.
Was?
Hello, you bring in this one. Like, you know, like towel that we put in this in here.
Towel lab.
Krpa, this blauwe, what you...
Lab. Tapos na kami kumain guys. So, maliligo na kami. Alishan! Ang ganda guys, oh. Ha? Ang ganda. Was? Hi, Alishan! Shatsi! Ang ganda dito, guys, oh. Mabato lang siya, mabato. May mga tao din. Maglalakad-lakad kami, guys, kasi madami kami nakita. Pupunta sila doon. Nung mga nakaraang month, pumunta kami dito eh. Yung malinaw na doon, yung may malinaw na bridge doon. Yun doon, malapit lang doon. Oh, diba guys? Ang linaw ng tubig. Hi! Aray ko puti. Oh.
What time is it?
Moment, I don't see. Why?
What time is it?
Why? You want to go home na?
No, I just want to know.
Ano ba yun? Ang lamig naman dito.
Wait, Ben.
Oh my God, love!
Hold the tree, bench. Bench, hold like this. Now you have to walk here.
Ayan, kung tingnan mo, may beach doon. Gusto ko. So guys, Lalakad-lakad kami dito sa may ano, bundok ng Tralala. Bundok ng Tralala. Kita nyo yun? Ayan, linaw, diba? Mula dun sa amin, nag-drive kami ng 1 hour.
Bang, take this
Oh.
one.
Thank you, Liz.
I go swimming now.
Oh, maganda dun. Guys, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ang ganda guys, oh. Oh, diba, oh. Maganda dito, Liz, oh. Guys, tingnan nyo naman yung tubig, oh. Napakalinaw niya. Oh, diba? Aray ko putik. Oh. Ang ganda, guys. Lab, maganda dito, Lab. Ha? Yeah. So, Liz, you go there, Liz, oh. Swimming. Yeah, and it's not so a lot, ano.
No strong. So.
No strong.
And
Heidi.
you can look like
Heidi, Lutka, come here. Come here, Lutka. Ha?
Heidi, you please go back.
Alishan. Guys, ang linaw ng tubig, guys, oh. Shatsi, hello. Say hi. Ang linaw ng tubig, guys. Tingnan niyo. Look, oh. Alishan! Alishan! Kami lang yung tao, guys. Oh. Hi, my love! Yung dalawang bata nandoon. Oh.
Heidi, you swimming here. So
Ayan, dito yung aming beach, guys. Yung aming private beach. Ah, charot! Private beach. Kanina nandun kami. Doon. Doon sa baba. Mabato dun, mabato. Ayan, tapos lumipat kami dito. Tingnan mo. May buhangin siya, diba?
2, 3. Hey. Say hello.
Hey, me too, me too. Babo.
Czekaj, zawsze. Hey.
Hi, Alishan!
Alishan, hello. Hello. Say hello. Say hello.
So, ayan guys, 6 o'clock na to ng gabi. Tapos, pauwi na kami. Parang 4 hours lang kami na nag-stay. So, thank you for watching. Bye!